Good morning students. Today we are going to continue with lesson 6 more on Excel. In this section we are going to discuss types of operators, BODMAS rule, order of evaluation and copying formula. Types of operators. Operators are used to specify an operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication or division to be performed on elements of a formula. There are basically three types of operators. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to do some kinds of calculation with numeric values. The arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, exponent, etc. For example, equal to A1 plus B1. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values and return a logical result true or false. The relational operators are less than equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to, etc. For example, A1 greater than B1. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to compare two or more relational expressions. The result of these operators will always be a single value, that is true or false. The logical operators are not, and, or. For example, A1 greater than B1 or A1 less than B1. BODMAS rule. You already studied BODMAS rule in your mathematics class. So what is BODMAS rule? When two or more arithmetic operators are used in an expression, computer follows the BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS rule, the precedence of operators from highest to lowest are brackets, division or multiplication, and addition or subtraction. The value enclosed within the bracket are evaluated first, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Order of evaluation. Excel performs the operations from left to right according to the order of operator precedence, starting with equal sign. For example, consider the formula equal 6 plus 3 into 5. Here Excel performs multiplication before addition. The formula multiplies 3 into 5 and then add to 6 to get the result, that is 21. Another example, consider the formula 6 plus 3 into 5. Here Excel add 3 and 6 together, then multiply the result by 5. That is, we will get 45. So Excel perform the operation from left to right according to the BODMAS rule. Copying formula. You can copy a formula from one location to another. To copy a formula, follow the given steps. Select the cells that display the formula. Second step, click Copy option on the clipboard group in the Home tab. Click on the destination cell and select Paste option in the clipboard group. The simple way to copy the formula into a range of cells is dragging the fill handle tool. Shortcut key for date and time. To insert current date into a cell, select the cell and press Ctrl plus semicolon. To insert current time to a cell, select the cell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus colon.